The moments we live for begin with an Edge. Meet the Edge, the easy-to-use, innovation-packed cellular trail camera from Moultrie Mobile. Edge offers more reliable service in remote places with Auto Connect technology. Auto Connect detects and connects to the strongest signal from multiple nationwide cell carriers, giving you reliable camera performance in the places big bucks live. Edge cameras have built-in memory, which saves you time and money. No more frustration with unreliable SD cards. And with unlimited cloud storage, you'll never lose an image. Your pictures are always available to view via the Moultrie Mobile app. Edge delivers exceptional image quality, day and night. Our high-performance image sensor produces 33 megapixel images and excellent 720p HD video. Plus, our expanded field of view and improved trigger accuracy means you will capture more action. The Edge's improved power efficiency means you get more life out of 8 AA batteries. And with a double capacity tray, installing 16 AAs gives you even longer run time. Edge's new Cell Boost antenna provides better connectivity and folds down for easy transport and storage. No assembly required. Getting started with Edge is easy. Once you've activated the camera, simply add batteries and switch it on. The camera will automatically connect to the strongest network. The year-round process of scouting, patterning, and hunting whitetails is hard. We built the Moultrie Mobile Edge to make that process easier and give you confidence in your hunt. Combine Edge cellular trail cameras with the advanced features of the Moultrie Mobile app and transform the way you hunt.